Good morning, friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today is a nice Wednesday morning. I've come for a walk and I'm just exploring some places. This is my favorite place. It's the Parker Bible Church of here. I used to come here and have a good time. I have made very good memories here. It's a nice day to walk, not windy, not sun, not too hot, not too cold. It's a perfect weather today. See, friends, I love this church. This is the Parker Bible Church. My kiddos and we all used to come here on Sundays. Again, I'm planning to start visiting here. It's so good to be here. Always listen to Dr. Pastor. The air is so fresh here. I'll show you some nice garden of here, which I love it. See, friends, how beautiful this garden area looks. Look at the flowers. These are just my favorite. See, look at the sunflowers. They're so beautiful. I also wished if I had a big garden and I could do my own gardening. See, friends, so beautiful, so pretty. I just love it. Hope you like this vlog of mine today where I'm exploring outside, showing you the outside garden and outside places today. This is a nice park where the children can play after church and have a good time here. We have made so many memories here. It's a beautiful place, friends. Love this church so much. Here is the road, here is my car. All the people are going out and coming. Beautiful place, friends. It's so cute bird. Oh, I love birds. See how cute the bird is. So beautiful the bird is. Hello bird, how are you? Hi bird, how are you? Look at this bird, it's so beautiful. Hi bird, how are you? You're so cute. Do you know that? Pretty bird? You're a very beautiful bird. Hi bird. How's your day? So cute. I love nature so much. The birds are so beautiful. See, it's so itchy all over, it looks like. Hi buddy. How are you? Hi buddy. Bird. You're so cute. How are you? You're so beautiful. Do you know that? Oh, bunny. It's a small baby bunny. And see the cute flower of here. I love this kind of flowers. Look at the small yellow flowers. They are so cute. Such a peaceful place. It's such a good weather and my hairs are flying and I cannot control my hair today because of all the air which is blowing. It's neither too hot, neither too cold. It's a perfect weather for today. See, friends, how nice the background looks. Everything is so good. See, friends, just love this open places and all. It's so good. Can you hear the trees? See how nicely they are fluttering. Beautiful weather, friends. See, friends, this is the entrance of the Parker Bible Church. We all love this place so much. Friends, it was a nice walk today for me early in the morning. It was great to start walking and coming out sometimes. See the garden, friends. It's so beautiful. I cannot stop and look at this once more. It's so pretty. Look that side, look this side. It's so beautiful. I love this park. I love the purple color. My favorite song. It's so good when I drive my my car, I love to listen to my FM radio. I love the Scale Up channel so much. I can just drive and keep listening to the beautiful songs. Sometimes you can only say thank you every day. It's a new day, new blessing, new hopes. Hello friends, good morning. How are you all doing on this Thursday morning? It's good to be outdoors and do a little walk. So I had a lot of work today, so I'm out today, so we'll do some shooting outdoors. So friends, here we see a nice Douglas County Sheriff's car. So a police should always be near some places where it is public places. Friends, how did you like my dress? This is one of my favorite dress. And how is my bag? Can you read what is written on the bag? He shall direct my paths. Proverbs 3:6.
J-Love, hey, I'm Scott, and coming up next, a life hack that just may save your life one day.
So much fun with the water. See friends, I love this place. The water is so good. See friends, see over there how nicely people are playing and children having fun. Good place. See the kiddos, they are having lots of fun. See friends, the skies are so clear today. I can see an aeroplane over there. So good. You are having fun with me. I'm having a lot of fun with this waterfall. Children are playing. See the waterfalls. So much fun. It's so good. I love this area so much. I'm glad I live in this kind of a place. I'm blessed to be here. And my mom and dad watching. Hello, mommy, daddy. How are you all? This place also, I love it. I always, when you come in the night, it is so colorful and nice. One day I'll bring you in the night, friends, so which is very good. So friends, here I am at Spices and Beyond. I love this Indian grocery stores. We get everything. You guys should check out. It's a very nice store. And Swati is the owner. She's a very lovely lady. So friends, see this. This is that mehendi designs. See, this is lovely. I think we should take this. Yeah. These are camphors. These are all puja items which you need. These are frozen items. So you get nice mango slices of here. Whatever you need to do in the smoothies, it's all down here. This is the coconut. This is the cottage cheese. This is Amul butter, which we used to eat in India. I remember all these memories because this was my favorite. Amul. Friends, check out Spices and Beyond if you are in Parker, Colorado. This is where I shop, and it's a very good and a clean shop. Swati is my friend from many years, so it is nice. I always go to her shop for shopping, and I get everything what I need. I don't miss India that much because I get everything from her store. It's a very good and a nice store, reasonable prices. Check out, friends. You'll love the things which are there, and prices are so reasonable that you'll love to go again and again. Okay, friends. Bye. Hello, friends. So, friends, I didn't do much, but 2 days I was extremely busy, so I just went out here and there, and it was good to go out with the kiddos and come home. Then it took a lot of time just to get ready and take a shower and get the lunch going, and it was a very simple lunch, so nothing much to show, but I'll show you my blog, and I hope you like this blog, like where I shop, how much fun I have outside when I go out, and wearing the mask is the most difficult task which we guys are doing right now. I hope from all over the world the coronavirus ends and we all become normal and become happy again. There should be lots of joy in this country and everywhere else, friends. So everybody is praying so hard, and we are also praying so hard. Our daily prayers are only that corona ends and life becomes normal, friends. So hope, friends, you liked my vlog and what and all I did. So friends, if you liked it, just share it and subscribe it, and comment if you have anything, and if you want me to do any new topics or new things, let me know. I'll try to come up with how much I can according to my means, and how much I can do. Okay, friends, till then, love you all. Take care. Bye.